Hi guys, welcome to Mavic channel. In this less than 5 minutes video, I will show you how I tested out the return to home function for the VIVITAR dual racing drone, the VIVITAR FPV dual racing drone. Actually, this was my first attempt. I sent it out and flew a little bit up and down here and there. I sent it out and flew a little bit here and there, up and down, around the trees a little bit. And then I pushed the return to home function and see what happened, to see if it will come back. So impressively, it took off. It went up as expected, came back, flying backward, and then landed. And it was really fast in doing that, quick in doing that. And of course it came back, but landed a few feet away from where it took off. And this here was my second attempt. I attempted to replicate the same thing I did, lifted up, sent it out, flew around a little bit. And yeah, of course, pushed the return to home button and wait to see what happens. Of course, it lifted up as expected and came back. Let's see here. Now it landed a little bit further away. The first one was like 3-4 feet. Now it's like 6 feet, 7 feet away. And on my third attempt, shown here, I lifted up, took off, went airborne. The drone, first of all, made as if it didn't want to fly. And then I took it up, brought it back down, just to make sure. And then, okay, after I realized it was stable, I decided to send it out again. And replicated almost the same moves like I did, and then of course pushed the return to home button. And yes, the third attempt was much more successful, as the drone came back and landed almost on the takeoff point. So that was impressive. Guys, that's a quick show of how I tested out the return to home function. Please leave your comments below, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.